That's what I need in the Razor. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be kind of a product review day, and it kind of worked out like that unintentionally. What am I getting at? Okay, so you guys know the car, the 2026 Polaris Razor Pro R Ultra, and you've seen me do some build-up on it. And what I've done with this car, because I don't have my HVAC system as I did before and wanted some protection and whatnot. Anyway, I got a windshield on here. And along the windshield, I'm going to soon have a back glass on here. And that's going to make it warm in the car. So I don't need a heater. This thing puts out a lot of heat down below. But I am going to need something to make it cooler. Well, the windshield does have these vents right here. And that helps. And I've got some door props on the way. But that doesn't do everything. So I've been seeing online people advertising these overhead fans. And there's a few people that make them so on. And oh, don't look right there yet. So I figured, okay, I'm going to do an overhead fan. Well, in full disclosure, just before I bought the fans, Kemimoto reached out and said, hey, we have these fans. Would you like to check it out on your car? And I said, well, yeah, because I was going to buy one anyway. So Kemimoto did send me some overhead fans for free and putting it in the car. I'm not doing a full install video on it. The fans came very well packaged. Kemimoto right there. Came with good hardware, came with extra screws and nuts and stuff because we all lose our nuts. So they're doing well. Kemimoto has really built up a good name recognition in the side-by-side and off-road market with some of the things that they have. So anyway, I started putting in the fans. So here's the fans here. And this is on again, a 2026 Polaris Pro R. And they worked out pretty cool. So here's what the top of the fans look like. And they have these brackets here that slide in and out so that you can use it on different width cages. This car, the cage is very, very narrow. So I just took these brackets and slid them in. And because of where I wanted to put the fans farther back, it kind of interfered with this. But again, I used the bracket and I just built it to here. So it's working out really slick, super solid. And it allows me to have the fans up so I don't lose any head height. One thing that's unique to these fans that I haven't seen anybody else do is they're adjustable. Really, really cool. So since they're adjustable, you got to watch your height. You can't go that far. See how it sticks up? But all you need to do is tilt it about that far. So let me show you how it looks in the car, because you probably want to know, do you have enough head height to wear a helmet or whatever? So I'm sitting in stock seats. I am 6'1", and of course I'm not wearing a helmet right now, but look how much room I have. I got lots of room up there. So if you wear a helmet, I don't think it's going to be a problem. The fans will tilt. Anyway, again, not a full install video. I'm going to finish getting this installed and wired up. Oh, by the way, one single wire. And in the factory cage, there's already a hole right here. And feed the wire down. And there's another hole at the bottom of the cage that's going to go out. And then right over to my bus bar. This thing's going to be super simple. Anyway, we'll be back in a flash. And we'll have this all installed. And I'll give you a little review on it. Okay, the Kemimoto overhead fans are installed. That looks clean. Look at that. Doesn't even stand out at all. Looking from the front, you don't even see them. Came out real sharp. So this has a dome light. Of course, that'll show up more at night. And then the fans
You can articulate them. Blowing good. The next test is going to be, what does the wife think? Let me show you how warm it is out here right now. Okay, it's about 92 degrees right now, and it's very dry out here. And I think it's supposed to be like 98 today, a little cooler than it was yesterday. Pretty warm yesterday. So what we're going to do is we're going to go for a ride in this 95-ish degree weather. Looks good. Oh, you don't even see the fans. Tell me when you can see them. And now, okay. But look, real nice and tucked. Let's see what the headroom is. Okay, again, I'm 6'1", and stock seats. And I got about 6 inches above me. Plenty of room to wear a helmet if I want. Really nice. It's a really clean install. Came out good. I like it. Let's go for a ride. All right, so we're cruising along. Hopefully you can hear me. It's warm. I got the vents shut on the windshield. Yeah, with the windshield, I got no air. No air. It's kind of stuff. All right. Yeah, I feel it. Even with the wind coming in from the side, I can feel the air. It's good. Oh yeah. Okay, so the Kemimoto dual overhead fans for your side-by-side, do I recommend it? I do. I do. Going down the road, even with the air coming in from the sides, I can feel the air blowing down from here, and it helps keep my head cooler. I like it. It's really well built, well thought out. It's a good setup. So check the link below in the description. There's also a discount code if you want to get one. And yeah, it's good. It's good. I think you'll like it. All right. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next video.